This is filmed at 11:30 p.m. As I'm taking a look and surveying the fire. I'm actually not really in any of the wind. And then as you can see, I'm panning and turning around, and in the distance you can see some of those lights. That's where I flew from. That's about 2,600 meters away, where Maui Brewing is. As I'm flying towards the smoke, kind of at a sideways trajectory, I will pan more to the right to see the fire. I start to come into the wind, and you can see the drone kind of picks up speed a little bit because I'm going with the wind, and I wanted to give you a feel of how fast the fire is going, so I moved to it. Please, if you have any footage of any fire anywhere on Maui, please post it in the comments below. So I'm compiling footage. Lots of footage is getting deleted. Pictures are getting deleted, and people don't really know the severity, which is really stupid. You can see here, it's moving probably about 1.5 to 3 miles an hour, somewhere in that ballpark. And it's heading kind of more toward the Monsanto area. And I kind of poke through the smoke here as I'm flying with it. Lahaina appears to have been burned incredibly bad, and there are a lot of very terrible stories coming out of there, and I am bracing for the morning. This is filmed at the top of Ohukai. It was very windy, so I couldn't fly my drone, but the fire appears to be about 3 miles away. They are evacuating North Kyiv, from my understanding. Also, I went to the top of Maui Brewing, as you can see here. There was really no wind.